The researchers knew, but obviously the participants did not know. They're just guessing based on what they saw.
Right, but which one was more accurate?
Oh, that's a good question. I actually don't remember.
Like, I mean, yeah, that could place to use a certain word when they're asking.
Right, so maybe depending on what the, or let's also talk about police motivations, right? For instance, if police maybe already have a suspect in mind, they maybe already have an idea of what that ethnicity is or what that card should have looked like, right? Because certainly that's when we really got a concern. If police have expectations that may or may not be accurate, hopefully they're accurate, right? But to the extent that they're not accurate, that can seriously interfere with what eyewitnesses in turn report. Okay, questions about this? Okay, so finally we should talk about retrieval, the final stage of memory store. Obviously retrieval is simply recalling information stored in memory. So recalling information that's stored in memory. That's what we mean by retrieval. So if we can get past acquisition, we know things can go wrong with that. Let's say we get past that. If we can get past accurate storage, if that memory hasn't faded, which again it can do, we still have to retrieve it accurately. And it turns out things can interfere with retrieval of that information. For instance, a lot of empirical research has studied whether or not the construction of a lineup interferes with accurate retrieval of information. And it turns out, indeed it does. A lot of things interfere. For instance, one thing that interferes, turns out, you guys familiar with sketch artists? If you have to recount to a police officer or a sketch artist what that criminal looks like, it turns out if you have to do that, and then you're later shown a photo lineup with that suspect in there, you're actually less accurate in terms of identifying that suspect. If you've done a sketch artist with a sketch, what do you suppose that is? Yeah, you do get to see the sketch because you're telling the sketch artist, no, that's not right, change that kind of thing. Yeah. Absolutely. In fact, they frequently are pretty different than what the real person looks like. No sketch artist can be perfect, right? They didn't see him, the person did. So what's happening is probably that sketch is now replacing their memory, their previous memory of what that person actually looks like. So that turns out to be a factor that can interfere with retrieval. Another factor that turns out to predict accuracy in eyewitness identification might be sort of non-intuitive. What would you guys think? Would a person be more accurate if they quickly pick a person or if they spend a lot of time studying each individual face? Absolutely. That turns out to be a fairly good predictor of actual accuracy, is the speed at which they pick a person. If they have to spend a lot of time studying those faces, that's typically a sign that they might actually be comparing them to one another to see which one looks the most similar to what I remember, as opposed to that one jumps out at me, I know this person, I recognize this person. Is this making sense? Okay, so we're going to talk more about lineup construction, but I actually need to end a couple minutes early today so that we can do course evaluations. So we'll finish up with this next class. But before you go, I've got course evaluations, and I've also brought pencils. Does anyone need a pencil? Okay. Yeah. I will be sure to get you your papers no later than the day you take your exam, because I want you guys to be able to figure out if you need to take the final or not. So those will come back to you with enough time for you to figure that out. So I'm going to pass these out. Whenever you're done, Erica, the teaching assistant, she's going to take them back to the psychology department. So when you're done filling this out, just put them back in this envelope, and Erica will take them up. I have to leave the room before you can take them, but before I do, let me just read you instructions. You're supposed to do this. I know not everyone does, but they tell me to do it. So your ratings will be most helpful to the instructor and the institution if you answer thoughtfully and honestly. Students sometimes wonder if the course was well taught and I learned a lot. Should I rate every item high? The answer is no. IDEA focuses on what the instructor was trying to teach, not what you learned. As such, the instructor is not expected to do well on every item. In recognition of this, items not related to the course are not counted in the final evaluation. So the items for this course that are important are gaining factual knowledge, terminology, classifications, methods, trends, learning fundamental principles, generalizations, or theories, and learning to apply course material to improve thinking, problem solving, and decisions. As student raters, you should also know that the results of your ratings for this class will be included as part of the information used to make decisions about promotion, tenure, salary increases for this instructor. Fairness to both the individual and the institution require accurate and